Hey, this is Morgan, sales manager with America's Home Place in the Greenville office. We're here out at a house that's in the middle of being framed here, actually towards the end of being framed. The framing stage is actually kind of towards the beginning, middle of the job, and it's challenging for customers, I think, to keep track of all this because it happens so quickly. That's one of the main benefits of using America's Home Place. We work very hard to make sure that our build times are super fast and effective for our customers, and that means that if you don't come out here often and check your house being built, it's going to get built overnight is what it will feel like. So make sure as a homeowner, as we're building your home, that you're visiting it often and taking pictures and enjoying the process, because it does happen very quickly. When you're building a house with America's Home Place, the beginning of the build and the end of the build tend to be the most difficult getting started. It's almost like a bottleneck at the beginning and the end, but the middle is pretty easy and pretty smooth, and that's kind of what you're seeing here. Getting that foundation in really kind of starts a fire underneath the project managers and the contractors, and we're able to get through the middle pretty quickly. But this home will be getting siding on pretty soon, and we're excited for that next step for the customers. Make sure you go visit us at our website at americashomeplace.com and visit your local America's Home Place. You'll be able to find that contact information right there on the website.